So here's the problem. We're always on the move. But we want to be prepared for the unexpected, and that's not always easy. So we came up with a solution, a way to always be ready. We call it the Cash Belt by Wazoo, and it's designed to be the ultimate adventure accessory. It's a money belt, a travel tool, a utility belt, a survival kit, and whatever you make it. Our mindset is this: when you're prepared for the unexpected, you can have the confidence to step into the unknown, and you open up your life to any path you choose. So we designed the belt with two goals in mind. One, it has to fit with all aspects of our lives. We made a belt of mil-spec webbing rated at 1,500 pounds with a perfect fit camming adjustable buckle. And we're making it in America, because we want to. But also, and this is the best part, we needed something highly functional. So the Cash Belt was designed with a Velcro enclosure that's over 2 feet long for carrying the essentials, and it's fully customizable. We've come up with a lot of ways to use it. But first, you're probably wondering, who the are we? We're Wazoo Survival Gear.
Nope.
We're engineers, travelers, designers, and all-around adventurers. We've been designing wearable survival kits for over 5 years, like bracelets with dozens of different tools, and hats with secret pockets. Our goal is to add maximum functionality to everyday items. So when you buy a Cash Belt, the hang tag doubles as a coaster, and our business cards are burnable and double as fire starters. We consider the Cash Belt the culmination of our experience and the next step in our evolution, starting with the concept of EDC, everyday carry. You probably don't leave the house without a belt, and with the Cash Belt, you can leave fully prepared without feeling encumbered by extra items. We beta tested this beast in our own lives, taking it all around the world, and it passed the test. So we're proud to offer it to you in 3 different options. The first is the minimalist belt that you customize. We find it works great as an easy-to-access money belt, making it the perfect travel accessory, and great for when you need access to money and other items on the go. Plus, it looks good, so it's a great alternative to the goofy-looking money belts currently on the market. When we travel, we use it for a copy of our passport and other travel docs, cash in multiple currencies, an Airbnb key, and memory cards. The second option is a Cash Belt stocked with the Essentials Kit. It's a TSA-friendly everyday carry kit that provides you with a strong foundation for unexpected situations while still leaving room for you to customize it with your own items. The third option is a Cash Belt stocked with the Adventure Kit. We think the best survival kit is the one you have with you, so we used all our experience designing survival gear to build our most extensive kit yet. It includes, and get ready for this, paracord gear loops, a wire saw, zip ties, Kevlar cord, a ceramic knife and striker, a flashlight, a ferro rod, trail markers, first aid tinder, a whistle, safety pins, and a fishing kit with fishing line that doubles as sewing thread with a needle, plus brass wire, duct tape, ranger bands, a compass, a signaling mirror, bandages, a water pre-filter and water bag, plus purification tablets, or you can just boil the water in the bag, for real, plus aluminum foil. And it's all in the belt we wear every day. Because in the end, we don't know what we're gonna get into. That's what makes this game so exciting. It's an adventure, and we're ready. We'll see you out there. Oh, and every version comes with a bottle opener.
Our pursuit to give life our all should not be limited by the season of the year. We are Giver, and we made a pair of gloves that are as multifunctional as you are and are built to stand up to everything you face on any given day. Hey, I'm Bubba. It all started with these, a pair of custom crafted gloves that quickly went beyond their basic purposes. We started selling these gloves and everyone loved them, but the gloves didn't quite cover everything people were using them for. So we gathered our team, took the gloves that everyone loved, and spent the last 1.5 years making them even better. We forged and tested these gloves in the extreme conditions of our backyard, the Teton Mountain Range. We threw the toughest, meanest, most ridiculous challenges at them, and we beat the hell out of them too. This one's for all you mountaineering, powder spraying, grandma loving badasses out there. We are psyched to bring to you the 4-Season Giver gloves, the best damn gloves ever. We've combined synthetic technologies and premium leather to ensure comfort, function, practicality, warmth, and aesthetics. The cow leather was selected to ensure the gloves are tough against abrasions and wear and tear while still being soft and smooth in texture. We incorporated Thinsulate insulation to ensure your hands are always warm, and reinforce the palms and fingertips for protection without sacrificing dexterity or touch. The four-season gloves have an amazing functional temperature range, taking on everything from sub-zero conditions to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can grab a burning log or even handle dry ice without damaging the gloves or, more importantly, your hands. The gloves are 100% waterproof, weatherproof, and made to last. The elastic cuff and leather skirt keep the snow out and the heat in, and the pull tab makes it easy to slip the gloves on without damaging the cuff. If you want, we can even bomb-proof your gloves by coating them in an all-natural beeswax, providing an extra layer of protection. These are the perfect gloves for your everyday adventures. Wear them while working, playing, exploring, shredding, cab hailing, quality timing, winning, neighbor helping, dog sitting, traveling, life loving, in any way you choose to give her. Made for every season so you can always give it your all, no matter what you do. The four-season gloves by Giver. Get them today.
Hi Kickstarter, my name's James and this is the Jackfish. It's our exciting new product. It's got all the essential tools you need for going to work and travelling outdoors. We've been working on Jackfish for the last 18 months and we've been carrying a Jackfish in our pocket for the last year all over the world when we've been working, travelling, exploring. After 35 prototypes, we came up with a new design that was fully mechanical and spring-loaded. It would hold the cards in place and you could eject them with ease. This new mechanism would last a lifetime. We're a family-run business and we've been designing and manufacturing high-end video and photography gear for the last 15 years. So Kickstarter, we have a great team and we know you're going to love our product, but we need your help to reach our funding goals so we can start the minimum order quantity with our factories. But bigger than this, we want to create a Jackfish community. We have future products lined up, but we want your input to help us sculpt them. If Jackfish is going to be a Christmas gift, please read the information below. We have a special login section on Christmas Day where people can customize their Jackfish to their liking and get exclusive videos on survival. We look forward to seeing you in the backer section.
LifeStraw is an award-winning, ultra-light water filter designed to provide you a safe, clean drinking water at a moment's notice. Manufactured by Switzerland-based public health company Vestergaard, LifeStraw has won Time Magazine's Invention of the Year, Esquire Magazine's Innovation of the Year, and Saatchi & Saatchi's Award for world-changing ideas. Over 4 million LifeStraws have been distributed for humanitarian aid since 2005. LifeStraw uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology, which contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. It filters to 0.2 microns, removing 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons. This is equivalent to a year of clean drinking water. LifeStraw works especially well in silty and muddy water, as the membranes filter out particulate matter. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. The LifeStraw removes bacteria and protozoa, but will not remove chemicals, heavy metals, or viruses. That said, these contaminants are extremely rare in the backcountry of North America. To use LifeStraw, you can simply insert it into your water source, wait a few moments for the water to soak up the membranes, and then suck the water through. When you're done, simply backwash the membranes by blowing the water out. Keep the caps on if you're using it throughout the day, or leave them open to let it dry out. When you buy a LifeStraw, you're making an impact. With our Follow the Leaders program, for every LifeStraw sold in North America, we provide a year of clean drinking water to a child in a developing country.